Now I am going to discuss the parallel combination of the capacitor. For this I have taken three capacitor. This is the first capacitor and its capacitance is C1, and this is the second capacitor, its capacitance is C2, and this is the third capacitor, its capacitance is C3, and I have already said in the previous video that is in every combination there are 2 points, and between the 2 points the battery or cell is connected. So for this combination the 2 points are P and N, and between the P and N the cell is connected, and the positive terminal of the cell is connected with the terminal P, and negative terminal of the cell is connected to the point N. And since the three capacitors, or each of the capacitor are the potential difference between each of the capacitors are same, means the common point P and N, the potential difference of P and N for this capacitor C3, potential difference between P and N for the capacitor C2, and potential difference between the P and N for the capacitor C1. So the potential difference of all the capacitors are the same, and this is the identification, or we can say that how can you identify the combination is parallel or not. For this we can observe that the potential difference between the plates of all the capacitors are same. So this is the parallel combination. Now I am going to distribute the charge. Suppose the Q charge is given by this positive terminal of the cell. This is the Q charge, and minus Q charge given to this point -2. Now this Q is divided in 3 parts, and as per the capacitance. So suppose the Q1 Q1 of the charge of this plate, Q2 of this plate, and Q3 of this plate. So the charge on the plate A1 is Q1, charge on the plate A3 is Q2, and charge on the plate A5 is Q3. And as you know that the similar charge on the condensing plate also, this is the charge is minus Q1, and this is the Q2, and minus Q2, this is Q3 and minus Q3. So this charge Q is at P, this P at P, the total charge Q is divided in 3 parts, Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. And at N minus Q is minus Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, minus Q1 minus Q2 and minus 3. Thus the Q is Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, and as per the definition of the capacitance, C is Q by V, so Q is equal to CV, and so Q1 is C1V. The potential difference between the plates is V, because all of the is V, for this is also V, for this is also V, and for Q2, if this Q2 is C2V for this, and this is C3V, and this is the Q. Now the whole combination is connected by the cell, and if the total capacitance means you can say actually the right term is equivalent capacitance for the whole combination is C, and thus we can say that you may replace the whole system by the C, and the charge is plus Q and this minus Q, and the similar cell is combined, and the potential difference is V. So this Q is equal to CV, where the C is the equivalent capacitance in this case. Putting this value of Q in this equation 1, we can say that CV is C1V plus C2V plus C3V, taking common, and so C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So this is the expression for the combination of this capacitor when they are combined parallel, and this formula can also be used for a number of capacitor connected in parallel.